folks. Al, Michelle, and I are back at the park. We were just here yesterday. Doesn't it feel like it? Oh yeah, we were, right. So we just stayed in Gurnee and got a hotel. Saved the trouble of going back to my place and back because we knew we were coming here, and we shot up and did the Jelly Belly factory tour.
Yes, we did.
That warehouse was awesome. Oh my gosh. Al, Michelle got me to try a dead fish flavored bamboozle jelly bean. That just happened, and I can still taste it, even though I cleaned it out with a dirty sock flavor. And then the lady behind the counter, well, Al, Michelle picked the sock flavor. The lady behind the counter gave me toothpaste flavor to wash and clean out my mouth with that. So that was just kind of what happened before we got here. I didn't have any videos or any of that from the tour. But it's a drizzly day. The park is eerily quiet. If you notice while I've been rambling, you haven't really heard much going. Still waiting to hear a boom from Max Force. Now Michelle thought she heard it, but it was just someone shutting their car door or something real loud. But it's not that crowded. It's not too bad. Looks a little busier than it is, but it's just, like I said, so quiet. Maybe certain rides aren't going, but I'm excited. We're excited. We got almost 8 hours here, or just over 8 hours to rock out and have fun. So I guess you could say we're Jiggity and Al, Michelle in.